what's up everybody, it's your brother Mike Prophet, man, back again with another video. As usual, we're doing the content, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. We on a day when we install some tweeters in the car. I'm gonna give y'all an updated video. I'm gonna get a lot of hate on my old video. I think it's like 2 years old. I didn't really have that much quality, putting too much time on my videos. Now I'm putting a lot of time on my videos, my editing, so I'm gonna give y'all the real deal how you install tweeters in your car. This is how I install mine personally, so say what you want to. This is how I install mine personally. So let's get into the video, man. Hold on, man. If you're new to the channel, man, I used to have a 2012 Dodge Charger. So go watch my previous videos. These came out my 2012 Dodge Charger, so I'm just pretty much replacing everything. So everything's already wired in. I just gotta wire it to my rear speakers. The reason I wire it to my rear speakers is because I put my fader on my rear speakers. So I don't put my fader on my front. It sounds way better if you adjust it to the rear, because I have the bass knocking in the back. I have my 8-inch sub as well in the back. So it sounds really good. So when you fade it, it still doesn't, you know what I'm saying? If you put it in the front, it will fade the front, so you wouldn't even hear your tweeters. So I put my tweeters in the, connect my tweeters to my rear speaker, to one of my rear speakers, and that's it. And when I fade it, it obviously sounds clear as day. So that's what I recommend doing it. Putting your tweeters connecting to the rear speakers. If you do it the way that I'm doing it, then do it that way. But set it up how you want to, man. This is just a simple, easy install. That's how we can do it. Let's go. They're already wired in. All I gotta do is screw my little caps in, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna show you all that. Screwing my caps in and hiding the wires and things like that. So, and be mindful that my wires are different. I have blue wire. This wire is like the main wire that's going to connect to these as well, to my separate set, my 3. So once again, these tweeters are pretty old. They're probably like 3 years old, if anything. But mine has this back piece. You can just pull it off, and all you gotta do is screw where you want your tweeters mounted at. I like mine up top. You can put yours like on the door panel or something if you want to, but I like mine this way, so I'm only going to show y'all this way. You can put your tweeters pretty much anywhere you want to, and to me this is the best way, in my opinion. It's just like, once again, this is my personal opinion. Set it up there a little bit. I know some of y'all got mad at me for like putting it by the airbags in my Dodge Charger. So once again, if you're new to the channel, I did have a Dodge Charger, and your airbags on your Dodge Charger is like right here. People was kind of, somebody said something in the comments, but I don't really care, man. It's the way I like my car. It's custom for a reason. It's custom to me and not to you. So once again, mine's already there on, and just kind of give y'all an example if you are switching stuff over or whatever. This is pretty much going to be the end of my piece. Is going to go back. This is going to be the rear part. So everything else is set up kind of to go. This is the middle. This is the rear, and then this other one will be the front. So this is how you know this is what to go to my actual speaker, to my rear speakers. So. Again, if you want to, you can use a flathead to like get in the crevices that you can't get into. they're going in there pretty good. If you want to, you can kind of pull the piece back on your roof, or the carpet that's on your roof, and kind of tuck it in there as well. The camera angle might not be the best, but pretty simple. Probably gonna fast forward through some of this. Pretty much just go through. And once again, if you're doing this for the first time, it won't be as easy as this because mine is already together. So I already know how mine's gonna look. So once again, this is simple. So I got all my wires hidden on this side. I really just want to show y'all this side. Everything else gonna be the same on the other side. So all the way down. You see this, boom. And then I have that open because I haven't connected my wire to the actual speaker wire yet. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the left speaker or the right speaker. Whichever one's easy to access is probably gonna be this speaker, which I will show y'all also how I installed my excuse me, y'all. Show y'all how I installed my speakers in general. So let's get into it, man. Show y'all the rest of this, everything else. Set up right there. That's my microphone for my what you call it as well. My radio. So we got that one, and then that one as well. So all you gotta do is make sure you have a connection or a wire long enough, which I have right here, to connect to the other side. Pretty simple. So we gonna connect these, and then we gonna connect some more wires. All we gotta do is connect 2 more wires, which will be these, to one of the speakers. That's pretty much it. That's how I set my stuff up. So I'm gonna show y'all the rest of it. So now I have my driver's side connected to my passenger side, and yes, I use masking tape. I don't know why I use it, but I've always been using it. Actually, I went to Dollar General today and they didn't have any electrical tape, so I tried to get some of that, but they didn't have it. They're out. It's a shortage on a lot of shit, so I guess they're gonna have a shortage on electrical tape as well. But yeah, I'm using this. So all I'm gonna do now, last thing I gotta do is connect my last wires to my actual speaker. So now you just want to tuck it in right here. If you have a Lincoln Town Car, you can tuck it in like this. Yeah. There's your wires. So what I'm gonna do here, see that little crack? I gotta put my wire through there so I can get into my subwoofer right here, or to my speaker right there. So let's put this wire right here in this crack. As you see, put that wire in that crack right there. Your car might be set up, obviously your car might, if it's not a Lincoln Town Car or whatever, it's probably gonna be set up differently. My charger's a little bit easier when I was doing this. I could just fold my seats down and that was it. We got that in there. So we got that in there. So we just gotta open the trunk. So on this town car, my bad if the fan, I have my fan on. It's hot in the garage a little bit. We can pull that down. And I wanted to show y'all also, see, I just zip tied my thing down. I put it on one on that end and I put one on that end. It's kind of connected to the trunk levers. Same thing with that. Just zip tied it down because once again, those are 6x9s and not 6x8, so they're not going to sit flush at all. And you can see all that type of stuff. So that's how my speaker's set up. Still got the Boss Audio in here. And I have my sub in this big old little tub. It's pretty much a subwoofer box. So I have my sub in there as well. And then my front speakers the same way. And you can see that hidden wire that I put in the back right there. So all we want to do now, use my wire cutters to trim some of my wire off. Me personally, it doesn't matter how you put it on. It's going to play regardless whether the positive on the negative and the negatives on the positive is going to play. So all I'm going to do is just put I'm going to put either wire on which one. Like, this is not, once again, this is not professionally done. And I really don't care which wire goes to what. I know that it's going to work. So this is a sound from my tweeters, and also if you're not new to this channel, you know exactly what this song is. I get a lot of questions and comments about this song. So once again, this song is called Nate by Nate and Zane. Spiritual Levels. You can get this song on SoundCloud. I think some of my OVOs got copyrighted, so I guess they put a copy LLC or something on there, so I can't really play it too long. But here you go. So let me know if you can hear it from the tweeters, or does it sound like you can hear it from the tweeters or not. But it's very clear, but I have it on low. So let me turn it up slightly. But I know you're going to hear the rear speaker more. So that's the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment sections below. This is pretty much an updated video on my old one. Better quality, it's better than my old one, that's all I'm gonna say. But let me know what you think down in the comment sections. Brother Mighty Prophet, make sure you like, subscribe.